Good, now I am. Are you okay? I'm still recording all these kids.
I hit that jump one time. Oh shit! We're all mashing out. Now I'm jumping.
This is over a minute and a half.
What's wrong with it? Jump off before it gets up.
Come on, I'm still recording, guys. I'm still recording. Switching bikes. Still recording here. I know, I'm still recording. Oh, holy fuck.
No, wait, I want to do what Tyler did. No, I meant actual hit it.
Here, I want to get this into the recording. Oh, hell no.
Hell no.
I want to record what happened.
This Ghost Rider.
Fix it.
Tim's like.
You ready to?
All we need is different handlebars, bro. And I got the perfect bike with handlebars. It's okay.
How come he's crying?
He's not, he's just.
He's mad.
Look what Tyler did to it.
Holy shit. Get that Dylan Ghost Rider.
No, you have to redo it. So I was recording what happened here. If anything, all we need to do is switch out the handlebars too.
Yeah, that ain't really that hard.
Yeah, I'm putting the whole 3-minute thing on YouTube.
Make it longer. Hey, you should tell him all the names. Oh, that'd be some Jason right there.
Don't do it now.
It's going to end up happening in this bike too.
And yeah, them are the only handlebars we have right now
That are good.
that are actually usable.
Joseph has some handlebars at his house. Yeah, a whole bunch. Yeah, bike parts. Yes. Oh, yeah,
Joseph are
using the handlebars. I got a whole bunch of